handle mainly personal injury cases, but we also handle some business disputes, family matters that are uncontested, some estate planning too. Of course, being personal injury lawyers, we have injured clients, and sometimes they aren't in a wheelchair, and we have a ADA approved entryways. We have a ramp that a wheelchair can go up the ramp and get in our building easily, and we have a parking spot for that too. So we're very cognizant of that. It's real important when you're a lawyer to not just be a lawyer and focus only on the law. You have to be a counselor, guide them in their process, because it's a really difficult time for a lot of our personal injury clients. They've been injured, they're hurting, they've been through a lot. So we have to know, and I have to know, how to handle that. Sometimes you have to handle them with kid gloves, sometimes you just have to be brutally honest, and you have to know when to do that. And that, my training has helped me in that, I think.
He is very driven to excel. He is a very good family man, which is important because, as many professors and things said, the law is a jealous mistress, and you have to balance your time with your work, which I was blessed that I was able to do too, because I coached Little League and I did things, and he's following in those footsteps of balancing your practice with your family. And many lawyers have a rough time with that.
I think we're tenacious, hardworking. You have to be in this business, but I think we really work hard for our clients. Our clients come to us, and this goes to the red zone lawyers. We came up with that idea because clients come to us when it gets really hard to deal with an insurance claim or a situation where they've been dealing with their injury. We get tons of referrals from other lawyers, and a lot of family and friends of former clients come to us. So I would say that is why we're the way we are, and we've been good for so long. My father's been practicing for over 40 years, and he's got this thing down, and that's what I've learned from him about that. And we treat our clients fairly, and we work hard for them.
The feeling that when you come into our office that you have become part of the family, and if that situation fits our criteria for representation, they feel comfortable here. This is what's so great about the decision that I made 9 years ago to renovate a house in the Heights neighborhood. Most people are traumatized by the occurrence, but even more traumatized by going downtown, trying to find a parking place. Where's my lawyer? What's this cold kind of place? And that's the opposite of what we have here. We have many people come in and look at my office and, oh, I'd love to live here, much less be able to practice law. So it's a reassuring thing, I feel, to them to come into a comfort zone with who they're going to be working with, and a start of the trust relationship that's carried from day one to the completion that I've carried on for years, because I'm getting kids of people that I represented now, and that's gratifying.